In light of the gravity of the foregoing breaches, and given that this is a repeat violation, the Communications Authority of Kenya has taken the following regulatory actions against Homeboyz station. 1. Levied a penalty of Kenya shillings 1 million. 2. Imposed a 6-month suspension on the offending show until the station demonstrates compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements. 3. Directed that the staff of the station undergo training and sensitization on gender issues. This training should be certified and supervised by the National Gender and Equality Commission and evidence of compliance filed with the authority. 4. Directed that the staff of the station undergo training on the programming code by the authority. 5. Directed the station to publish a public apology in 2 newspapers with nationwide circulation and air the same apology on the station during prime time starting from today for the next 5 days. 6. Directed that the station reviews its editorial policy to align it with requirements of the law on gender and file the same with the authority. 7. Directed that the station ensures that its presenters are accredited by the Media Council of Kenya and files evidence of compliance on the same with the authority.